Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix EA 25. There was an error communicating with the Football Ultimate Team. Watch the video till the end. First, you will need to see the server status of the EA games. As you can see. I am in the official website of Help EA Games. Here you will see the server status of EA Games. As you can see the status. The status is looking good. As you can see. EA Sports College Football 25. Here you will see the status of server. The server status is looking good. So please check the server status of EA games in your area. Then you will need to test the internet speed. Test your internet speed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you want to check your internet speed, then you will need to type the speed test on your Google. From here you can check the speed of your internet. When you click on run speed test, then the timer will appear on your screen. Then you will test your speed of your internet. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.